Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's English word is cringe. 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 In its most popular modern context, it means embarrassing. If you cringe, so if your reaction is to cringe at something, it describes the physical feeling of embarrassment where you curl up inside and you just want to disappear. Oh, that's so cringe. For example, if you're walking down the road and you trip up but don't hurt yourself, but you trip up in front of a lot of people, you're just cringing with embarrassment. Or alternatively, if you are in a crowd of people and you see someone trip up and they look embarrassed, you can be cringing for them. You can feel embarrassed for them. And also, very often now in a modern day context, it's quite a funny comedy word. So, for example, if a parent tries to do something cool in front of their children might look at them and just disbelief and say just one word, cringe, meaning you're so embarrassing, just stop what you're doing. If you want to describe something as embarrassing or shameful in a playful way, you use the word cringy. Like, oh, Dad, that's so cringy. It's embarrassing. Pronunciation, oh, it's tasty. You have to say it like you feel it. Say it like you mean it. So it's one syllable, cringe, cringe, cringe. Make sure you don't put a h on the end. So just one sound, cringe. Cringe. Oh, it's a fantastically descriptive word. We've all been there. Some of us more than others. So if you enjoyed this video and it didn't make you cringe, please like and subscribe, or just join me tomorrow for another high frequency, delicious English word, phrase or expression. Thank you. Bye bye.